Welcome. This video guides you through using Google Maps in your Tesla Model Y. As of late 2025, Google Maps is integrated as a standard feature on Model Y vehicles running software version 2024-44.30 or later. We'll cover navigation, traffic management, and route planning, leveraging Google's robust data within your Tesla's ecosystem. This integration offers better real-time traffic accuracy compared to Tesla's proprietary navigation. To access Google Maps, tap the app icon on your Tesla's 15-inch touchscreen. If it's not pre-installed, check for software updates. Connect to Wi-Fi or cellular data to enable live features. The app is optimized for in-car use with larger buttons. No separate Google account is initially required, but some advanced features may prompt you to link one later for personalized recommendations or offline maps. To start navigation in Google Maps on your Tesla Model Y, you have several ways to input destinations. First, use the touchscreen keyboard. Simply tap the search field and type your destination directly on the screen. Second, use voice commands. Say, "Hey Google, navigate to," followed by your destination for hands-free operation. Third, select from recent locations. The app remembers your previous destinations for quick access. Once you input a destination, Google Maps calculates routes considering real-time traffic, road conditions, and Tesla Supercharger locations through API integration. You can choose between fastest, shortest, or eco-friendly routes. The eco-friendly option prioritizes energy efficiency for your EV travel. Google Maps leverages real-time traffic data collected from millions of users worldwide. This crowdsourced information provides live updates on road conditions, including delays from accidents and congestion levels. Based on this data, Google Maps enables dynamic rerouting, automatically suggesting alternative paths to avoid traffic jams and help you arrive faster. Additionally, route planning offers customization options, such as avoiding toll roads, highways, or ferries, allowing you to choose routes that match your preferences. These real-time features integrate smoothly with your Tesla Model Y's navigation system, making your drives more efficient and stress-free. While Google Maps doesn't directly control Tesla's autopilot or full self-driving systems, it displays routes that work seamlessly with these features on highways. This allows for compatible navigation that supports your driving experience without interfering with Tesla's autonomous capabilities. You can seamlessly switch back to Tesla's native navigation system whenever needed. This provides access to autopilot visualization overlays, adaptive speed limit adjustments, and complete integration with all of Tesla's advanced driving features. Voice commands are fully functional through Google Assistant, providing hands-free operation that enhances safety. You can use natural voice commands to input destinations, get directions, or make navigation changes without taking your hands off the wheel or eyes off the road. Customize your Google Maps experience in the Tesla Model Y by adjusting key settings to match your preferences. Access the Settings menu to change units between metric and imperial, switch map styles like satellite or terrain view, and control notification preferences. For areas with limited connectivity, download offline maps in advance to ensure navigation works even without a signal. Tesla's design focuses on safety by minimizing pop-ups and distractions, helping you stay focused on the road. Always prioritize safe driving and minimize distractions when using Google Maps in your vehicle. Many Tesla owners use both Google Maps and Tesla's built-in navigation system. While both tools help with getting around, they each have unique strengths that make them valuable in different situations. Google Maps excels in urban environments with its superior real-time traffic data. Drawing from a vast network of users, it provides up-to-the-minute information on traffic delays, accidents, and road closures, making it particularly effective in dense city traffic where conditions can change rapidly. Tesla's native navigation is ideal for long trips where supercharger integration and energy-efficient routing are crucial. The system automatically factors in battery range and suggests optimal charging stops along your route, ensuring you can complete journeys without running out of power. Surveys show clear preferences based on driving conditions. According to recent data, 72% of Tesla owners prefer Google Maps in cities for its superior traffic handling, while 58% choose Tesla's native system on highways for its EV-specific features. Overall, 65% of owners use both systems together, depending on the situation. Looking ahead, expect deeper integration between Google Maps and Tesla's systems. Google Maps could directly influence autopilot decisions, enabling real-time rerouting based on the latest traffic data and road conditions. Future updates will enhance AI-driven predictive routing, learning from your driving habits to suggest personalized routes that save time and energy. This will make navigation more intuitive and efficient. As Tesla software continues to evolve, Google Maps will become even more integrated into the overall driving experience, working seamlessly with full self-driving features for a smarter, safer journey. Remember to stay updated with Tesla's official announcements for the latest features and improvements in Google Maps integration.